Elevate your Shopify customer service from good to game-changing by integrating the power of DeepSeek AI right into your Shopify inbox. This tutorial will guide you step-by-step on how to seamlessly add DeepSeek to your Shopify inbox, transforming how you engage with customers and supercharging your business. First, head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find the tools to supercharge your store's functionality. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and hit enter. You should see the DeepSeek application appear in the search results. Click on the DeepSeek app listing, take a moment to review its features and benefits, then click the Add App or Install App button to begin the integration process. Shopify will then present you with a screen detailing the permissions DeepSeek requires to connect with your inbox. Review these permissions carefully, and if you agree, click Approve or Install to proceed. Once installed, you'll be directed to the DeepSeek configuration dashboard within your Shopify admin. This is where you'll set up how DeepSeek interacts with your customer messages. Here, you can customize AI response settings, define brand voice parameters, and even set up automated workflows for frequently asked questions. This allows DeepSeek to craft personalized, relevant replies. With DeepSeek integrated, you'll notice iPod response suggestions appearing directly within your Shopify inbox. These suggestions are crafted based on your customer's query and your predefined settings. You can select these suggestions with a single click, edit them if needed for a personal touch, or let DeepSeek handle the response entirely for faster customer support. By leveraging DeepSeek, you're not just automating tasks, you're enhancing customer satisfaction, freeing up your team for more strategic marketing efforts, and ultimately optimizing your business's performance. Integrating DeepSeek into your Shopify inbox is a powerful step towards smarter, more efficient customer engagement. Happy selling!